Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to change fonts in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. Now I click Start using Photopea. And then we can click New Projects. To open the new project, I will choose YouTube thumbnail and then keep this setting and create a new project. I press Ctrl 0 to remove it. Next, we can use Type 2. Click and hold. We can find Type 2 here. And then click on Artboard and type. For example, I type Test Font. This is quite small. I want to use Ctrl-Alt-T to show Transform tool and then click and drag the corner to make it larger. And then press Enter to apply it. If you want to change the fonts, make sure that we select the text layer and then we can active Type 2 again and then we can find the font here. For example, we can open it and then choose another font. For example, I choose the engagement. This is the first way to change the font. The second way, we can open the character window and then we can find the fonts here. So we can change the font. So this is how we can change font type in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.